Hi guys, and welcome back to I Speak English. My name's Hayley, and in this lesson I'm going to be showing you how you can create a study schedule to keep you on track when you're learning English. Okay, so this is really going to help you because a lot of people tend to be like, oh, I've got 10 minutes, I'll kind of do a little bit now, and then 3 days goes by, nothing happens, and then you think, oh, okay, I've got a half an hour, I'll do half an hour now. It's not a great way to study. You need to make English a part of your everyday life. Getting into a routine studying is really going to help you kind of build vocabulary, improve your grammar, and also improve other parts of speech as well. Listening, writing, reading, whatever it can be. So stick here. I'm going to show you the important things that you need to include in your schedule. And I'm also going to show you how you can add it to your Google Calendar or iCalendar as well. So it's right there and you get a reminder every time you need to study as well. But before I show you that, do make sure that you're subscribed and you click the bell so that you get a reminder from me every time I upload a new video. Every Saturday I upload long form videos, and every day I upload shorts as well. So make sure that you're subscribed and you can keep learning English for free every week. Right, having said that, let's get started. Okay, so what do you need to include in this schedule then? The first thing you need to do is to choose a time when you're free, or times when you're free. Every day would be great, even if it's just 10 minutes. 10 minutes a day, every day for a week, that's an hour of study. And everyone's got 10 minutes free a day. So do at least 10 minutes a day if you can, whether it be before you go to work, while you're eating your breakfast. You can, have a little scroll on Quizlet, do some flashcards. If it's in your lunch break, you can listen to an English podcast on the way to work. When you come back home, you've got a bit of time before dinner. You can do a bit of grammar on one of the, on an app or something. If you do need more apps as well, if you want to check out a few apps, I do have a video, I'll link it up here, for 5 free apps that you can use to learn English. It's really useful. But yeah, choose a time when you're free. 10 minutes a day minimum. 30 minutes would be amazing, but not everyone's got that amount of time. That's the first thing you need to do. Choose a time. The second thing you need to do, keep it varied. Don't study the same thing every day. You'll get unbelievably bored and it'll become like a chore rather than something that you're interested in or looking forward to. So maybe you can watch TV one day, half an hour video or something on YouTube as well. Listen to a podcast another day, do some flashcards the next day, go to a weekly intercambio, have a language exchange on a Saturday or something if you can. Keep it varied, and that's going to keep you motivated rather than make you bored. Okay, that's step number 2. Step number 3, ask ChatGPT to write it for you. Okay, I've actually tried this and it does work. It's really good. You don't even have to think about what you want to do. Just be realistic about how much time you've got, number 1, and the type of activities you're going to do. Okay. Maybe try and find a podcast or something that you actually like and you're interested in. Definitely make sure you're interested in whatever you're doing. Try and find like a blog that you like. Make sure it's, about your hobbies or something that you actually enjoy. That will help you as well. And number 2, be specific about what you want to study. With ChatGPT, it can't read your mind, so you have to be really specific about exactly what you want to do. But go to ChatGPT and just type in this command. Okay, create a study schedule for me to learn English as a foreign language. I want to focus on X, whatever grammar and vocabulary you're doing. I would say pick a different vocabulary point and a different grammar point every week. You could take this from a textbook as well. If you have an English textbook, you can just take it directly from there. I have free time on, and then give the days and the time when you know that you're absolutely going to be free. Okay, it might be half an hour before you go to work, might be half an hour after you come back from work, might be a lunch break, whenever. I want to study for X amount of time a day. Again, minimum 10 minutes, maybe put 10 minutes to 30 minutes or something. Vary the activities across days and include revision. Very important. You have to revise. If you're learning new stuff every single day, it's kind of going to go in one ear and out the other. It's not going to stay in your mind. You need to revise it. Minimum, I think 6-7 times. You need to see a word or hear it or practice that word before it goes into your long-term memory. So revision, really important. And this next step, really important. If you saw one of my other videos, you might have seen me make a big mistake with this when I was actually trying it out in the video. But I've got the command down now. So write the schedule so that I can import it as a CSV file into my Google Calendar or iCalendar or whatever you use. Very important, that bit, okay? Okay, and then once you've got that schedule from ChatGPT, you're going to copy and paste it to Notepad into a text file. It's going to give you like a weird sort of bunch of letters and numbers that don't make much sense, but don't worry, it's there. Save it as a schedule.scv and then open your calendar, click import and select that file. And that'll go onto your Google Calendar or your iCalendar. Okay. So we're going to try this out now. I'm actually going to show you, I just did this to see if it worked. I'm going to show you now to show you what I put. So first of all, I put this command, create a study schedule for me to learn English as a foreign language. I want to focus on vocabulary for travel and narrative tenses. I have free time every morning at 8:30 and Wednesday and Saturday all day, and I want to study for 10 to 30 minutes a day. Vary the activities across days and include revision, and put the schedule in an Excel table with days at the top and time down the side. So that's what I did originally, and it gave me this table. Okay, so you've got Monday to Sunday. Monday we've got travel vocabulary, learn 5 to 10 new travel words. Okay, you can do this with Quizlet, really great flashcard app. Tuesday, narrative tenses. Okay, so we're revising, practice past simple, past continuous. Read a short travel and blog post for Wednesday. Thursday is writing, so write a short diary entry about a past trip. Friday, vocabulary revision, really important. Again, review those travel words on flashcards or an app. Listening practice is Saturday, watch a short travel video, 3 to 5 minutes. And narrative tenses revision. Okay, again, take a quick quiz or do a worksheet. Again, these things that it's telling you to do, you can actually get ChatGPT to write you vocabulary lists, to write you grammar exercises, to write you a little reading passage. I have another video, I'll link it up here, of things you can do with ChatGPT to learn English. And in there's all the commands you need that can basically give you all the material you need from this schedule. So I'll link it up there. I'll also link it in the description down below. Click that if you want to watch it. So this is what it gave me originally for the schedule. But this would not go into my Google Calendar, so we had to add that little, the extra command on. It's write it so that I can import it as an SCV into my Google Calendar, and then it will give you this random bunch of weird looking numbers and letters and stuff. So what you do there, you copy it, go to your notepad, just copy and paste that there, okay? Go File, Save As, okay, study schedule.csv, and hit Save. Now we've got it as a CSV. Then we go back to our Google Calendar, and we go to our settings up here, go to Import and Export, and then select that file that you've just made. Okay, study schedule, CSV. Here. Click Import. Imported 9 out of 9 events. Okay, we go back to my calendar. We'll be able to see now. There we go, it's on my calendar. Okay, travel vocabulary, We've got focus on 5 to 10 new words, review yesterday's vocabulary, great. Okay, narrative tenses focus, past simple, reading, okay. So there you go. I've got my schedule there, and it works really nicely, works well. I'll get a notification every time I need to study to remind me. So ChatGPT, really useful for creating study schedules. Definitely do it. And you can create a new one every week. Just use the same command, but instead change the vocabulary and the grammar to whatever you're learning that week. Okay. And the final thing for your study schedule is stick to it. Okay, if you don't stick to it, the whole schedule's pointless in the first place. It only takes 5 days to create a new habit. Okay, if you do this schedule for 5 days, already it becomes something normal, and it becomes a new habit for you. Watching TV in English suddenly becomes normal to you. Okay, reading in English suddenly becomes normal. And in that way, English becomes a normal part of your everyday life. And it won't be as difficult, you'll get more vocabulary, you'll sound more fluent, exactly what you wanted to happen, right? So there you go. That's how you create a study schedule to keep you on track for English. The only difficult thing about it is that you have to stick to it. Once you go 5 days, you'll be fine. All right. So if you did find this video useful, please do give it a like and make sure you're subscribed to the channel as well. Just helps the video to kind of get to more people so that they can learn stuff to help them improve their English as well. If you have any suggestions of what videos you'd like me to make, anything about grammar, vocabulary, exams, whatever you need, let me know in the comments and I'll try and make a video for you. All right, I'll see you in another video soon.